I proposed on my birthday. It was 19 June 2019 to my passion with registration Passionpreneur Summit, and along with that I engaged for long term on Passionpreneur Summit last year. It was amazing journey. So if you still not believe, okay, I want to show you something. You can see June 19, 2019. I proposed myself to my passion with registration Passionpreneur Summit and attended full 3 days. Okay, and on the last day here I engaged with my passion very strongly because I got learn from all these global leaders. What I learned, all these, what is included, when and how to quit 9 to 5 red race, okay, how to find passion, what exactly the blueprint building business around passion. It's include lots of topics, so all in one package you can see, and I really believe that it helped me a lot to take myself into next level. This Passionpreneur Summit 2020 I'm going to attend again, and believe me, this is going to be a rock. So this is the right time. You will be into meeting with right people, and what else you to stopping? Take action. All the best.